So if you are a Ghanaian or you are living in Ghana and you see this road, you're gonna identify easily that we are heading from Eastern Region to Greater Accra. Yeah, this is Peduase, and we are now heading to Accra. Yeah, we visited the Legon Botanical Garden, and bros, the experience, you know, be long talk. That way I do video give you people. So you must enter the video straight. Yeah, so as we go to Medina now, from nowhere these kiddies come, make by force now, let me give them money. Giddy. Let me say no get the money some cry, Charlie. I'm more talking no. As or the omoka. Charlie, you know. Yeah, good day, man, people. This is your boy Hero Week. Today we did Legon Botanical Gardens. So more go inside and more go have fun. This is my first time here. So Charlie more go inside. Yo, it be like this place have be way event center. Yeah, it's behind me. And you go see, say it be like I don't know, say the birthday party they can go on for them or something like that. So me if you can't do your wedding stuff, more can book here then go do their wedding. I'll be filming. Yeah, you don't go do your wedding. What age you? 65 years. Yeah, so Charlie, as you can see, they go on. So any events, if you come. Alright. So I was conversing with this beautiful lady to show us the direction to the canopy walkway. Yeah, bros, as you can see, this is a canopy walk. Where they go past stop. The way me had a fear, but please, if this is your first time watching this video, remember to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you. Roni bet saying, Roni ba, umwami akwe, no more go. Yeah, Charlie, so we can't reach the top. Now they can't pass top. Charlie, the view be fine, rough. I'm not gonna lie, it be cool. Charlie, let me show them here. I will feel that thing. It be crazy, bro. I feel. As I feel. Charlie. I feel. Charlie, we dey go along, we won't go. Charlie, check the phone well. This phone no be one I want. And you're not gonna be coming. Elaboro what we do, Charlie. Oi. You know the fear. Boy, Charlie, walk for the middle there. Walk for the middle there. Charlie, I didn't see you. Charlie. I love you. What's up? What you guys say? I love you. It's more the video. Hey, Charlie. Trying to fool me. No go do anything. No go do anything. Relax. Oh, it be normal. It be normal. Make a run for top. Oh, but Charlie, this thing be crazy. Oh. You know something? If you get some girl behind, can't propose that for you. If you propose it, don't say nah. There, Charlie, one man, something not to down. It's a good idea. I say what's up. You will be and say, Charlie, you go marry me. You talk say nah. Who do two for baby, Charlie? Yeah. We try, bro. Be like some people to the chop love for years, so that one they're inside. One first to be saying, Chamo go. Yo, Charlie, so we finished the second one. We go the third one top. Like, be like this white people, they don't see you. Hey. See that? This is my way there. Oh, him, I didn't know. Where?
Of course.
The way me had the fear, eh? Now people to the chop love. Charlie, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Love go sweet though. Charlie, mo go. What could do on YouTube? You know, be on a matter. Broken heart, baby. So they can't start the third one. Mo go. Yo, bro, so this be the last walk. But Charlie, I brim rough. Hey, I can give you up. Blow me. That's it, no be easy. Hey. Charlie, so you more go, more go. Sure. Charlie, check the phone well, oh. Alright. I beg, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you, go subscribe then. Like, share and comment and like them, do everything give me. I beg you. Heroic. You feel me? Yeah, so as we finish the canopy walk, where we can't see this nigga for one side. By the way they handle in phone, they do videos, Where we approach and business, say, why you be YouTuber? He say, yeah, you be YouTuber. Well, I'm so okay, YouTube the same thing we they do. So then away he take him phone, give me way. He say make I search my channel for top. So I search. Where you see my video, he say, hey, they are the trial. The business say when I start, and where I think I'm so 1 month staff not come, maybe 3 weeks inside where I did, Where he say, oh, okay, so he motivates me, where he give me some tips. He do keep, he be OG, have you feel me? He do the YouTube keep. So give me some tips, be. Where me too, I go subscribe to in channel for there now. Yeah, sure. So I go put in channel for the video inside, then you will go subscribe. So the next video self, the part 2 of this video, no, it be me DM do. We roam for the garden inside. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when I drop the next video, then will notify you. Then you will go watch. It's only give me in business card. Say if anything now, make a holler. I will see that thing. So yeah.
Yeah, we go to different countries. I've been to South Africa and then Ghana. I don't know where is my next step.
So compare